Shawty V, one extra. Personally, professionally, girls love me unconditionally. The prettiest girls like a Barbie dolly. Now but tongue power like Muhammad Ali. Testing 1 3, me test basically. Weed legalize, so me blaze the cali. Sell platinum, me soon get the gummy. Man, I got this and this is my testimony. Just to a France, now me gone Italy. Originally, me set it lyrically, bitterly. When me step in at the place, while the fans want see me. WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter, follow back on me. Yeah, watch out for this man, a bedroom bully. And you know, say the thing them not ordinary. She has scrabbled for the words in my dictionary. Why no card that one exceptionally? Yeah. You wanna roll with the big boys? Shawty B, we are the big boys. One extra, we are the big boys. Hey, brr. Okay. How difficult? Now I wanna know what really.
Just degrees of difficulty.
Whoa. Yeah. See, sitting here. Big up Bounty Killer me one girl from Vanna sitting here for killer today. Guess what go on? Hey. Let me girl them there. When me girl them there. When me girl, hey, Shawty be more and I already after I finish too, you know. Good, hey. I born as a bedroom bully. Bedroom bully for the girl picking it. I born as a bedroom bully. Bedroom bully, girl a wine up for me bully. Real top girl is man a bedroom bully. Bedroom bully for the girl picking it. Hey, I born as a bedroom bully. Shawty B tell her you a bedroom bully. Wine and cock up, girl wine and cock up. Inna the bedroom, girl a wine and cock up. This man I wanna call your bone no crack up. Foot right the soul if it up and catch. Waistline tell time when you tick and tack up. Style you no shorter cause enough you have up. Love how you're sexy, you're round and fat up. Have you on my base on the whole place my shot. Where go on?
Still easy, still easy, still easy.
Hey.
Still easy.
Yo.
To the islands.
Yo.
The song for Trinidad and Barbados.
Trinidad. Alright then. Touch road, touch the road. Touch road, touch the road. Touch road, touch the road. Hey, Bungie Garden go touch the road. Yes, touch road, touch the road. Marshall, touch road, touch the road. Hey, touch road, touch the road. Hey, yeah, yeah, me. Alright, wave it behind the truck, wave it behind the truck, wave it behind the truck, wave it behind the truck. Hey, Trinidad, you know the thing them work. Wave it behind the truck, wave it behind the. Tell them straight up, and the girl them me love. Tell them it's not me nah go put above. Girl them, hey, they fly and they touch on the thing and them fly off just like a dove. In a one extra with there. Girl them say them love it extra we say. Tell them a straight say Shawty B if you come represent freestyle. Alright then tell them this, me nah go miss. And the girl them love it when me turn and twist. And inna them belly and whole night straight me no. Alright then, man nah hype up, man nah floor. Them fi know such. Where we there?
Still easy, man.
Where we there?
Alright, I'm gonna bring it to my place now.
Okay.
I'm gonna bring it to the 90s.
Okay.
UK now.
Okay then.
Degrees of difficulty, fam.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please?
You just take a flight, come on England
BBC
now.
Radio, one extra.
You just fly, come on England. Jesus, take your time now. Take your time now.
Man. I have to put it. How I is the key. Level it. And Shawty, so when I start DJ, don't get I DJ more, you give some mix. Like this. Juvenile not take none talking abroad there like them walk for the gun, skylark for the gun, don't pass side back for the gun, serious not laugh for the gun, some boy go down with the gun when kingfish come. Don't follow me run with the gun, them flex with the gun, take friends with the gun, talk about self, defense with the gun, say not itch with the gun, I kill forget switch with the gun, from French them switch with the gun, never them bad man, both them a bad man, like till them a stitch with the gun, boy start from full of the gun, shoot was cool with the gun, now go buy no wood with it, thief a trade man tool with the gun, them just shoot mad man, them loot and shoot, cast fight and a rap with the gun, beat them a drape with the gun, roll out till the tape is like the police, them let can gun, escape with the gun, back them same bad with the gun, chain and purse and bag, him a grab with it, some of them gone mad with the gun. If them coulda shoot God with the gun. But say nah miss with the gun. Mother want him teeth him is. Now take this with the gun. But everything quits with the gun. 6'6" pop like this with the gun. But try them and hate with the gun. Intimidate with the gun. Juvenile me no hate with the food. Can't look food and never same grace. No boy get the rest with the gun. Say in a big ghetto yeah. One extra we echo yeah. We be see
Oh my days. It's festival season right now in the UK. Festival Glastonbury this weekend. Turn it up in the mud. Tip on your toe. Hey, see me girl tip on your toe. Ain't gonna leave you tip on your toe, girl. Well, y'all are ball. Rock it up, queen tip on me, baby. Hold me tight and show me say there. Give me that sexy look there when you're ready. Eyes up, bracy and pan the wall. I me say stop it nice. I me yes, stop it nice. I me do shut
Shakira White. Hey, yes, me walk, girl, let them stand. Mama. Girl, a ball for ya, mama. She just say she want the third round, wine, and then your brace round. Yes, like a mama. Yes.
Lunatic on the IG Live. Jesus, what I know? Hey, I'm gonna have to find more rhythms. Lunatic said that was easy. Nirvana was easy. He said that was easy.
Who said that was easy?
Lunatic on the live. He said it was easy.
Big up Lunatic.
He said it was easy.
He said it was easy.
Earlier on in the interview, you said you would spit on anything.
Yeah.
And you used a genre that started with the word C. I'll give you a moment.
What I try to?
Beethoven, Moonlight Sonata. Your bud?
Busy this. BBC Radio. One extra. Yeah, me tell them same, sir. Represent them genre, yeah. This is a test. But I guess, yeah. These are the flipping days. Y'all let me know them teens of the flipping days. Touch the street with a flipping case. I'm not gonna left it. Just in case, just in case, just in case. These are the flipping times. Johnny B, we touch the road and see the signs.
Trouble.
Signal, they are to the thing design. Beethoven, it's like me deal with the rhythm of contract killing and I see this crime. Ready upon the militancy. Busy signal instantly. Damaging the rhythm permanently. Keep it down and down predominantly. Touch it straight. Keep it straight. It's like a big Sean B dub plate. There was a moment right there.
I feel like I needed a blazer with a long tail and everything star. There should have been a guy in there.
And a conductor.
A conduct, everything. My word.
Yo, because everybody want view. This is crazy.
This is one for the books, Busy.
Yo, brother. Hey, Shawnee. All what y'all play here. But you see that one that surprised.
That was trouble. Well, tonight you showed that. Listen, Busy.
Yo.
Thank you very much for passing through.
No.
Is what? No.
Me want to choose rhythm too.
Jesus.
How are this? Same man just gone. Hey, brother. You're all for yourself, brother. You're all for yourself. You're not putting on a rhythm round it. You're not putting on a rhythm round it.
Busy. This is what Busy does. He gives trouble.
Yeah, man.
Here's the rhythm for you. I'm going to find same thing, and what else you want after this?
Yo.
Trouble.
A mad thing, brother. So you see now, the man just want to choose rhythm for himself. Our viewers. Hey. Extraterrestrial. The place like festival. Them grades are high cholesterol. You get the point? Decimal. No boy can text me, girl. Impress me, girl. Fist me, girl. Them say me unethical because them know me skeptical. Systematical. Me sit down a whole med sabbatical. Chill out in a Seychelles, East Africa, where tropical. Some of them claim them big, me can't see them microscopical. Semi-automatic when me clap it automatically radical. They can return like the prodigal. Abracadabra, you disappear and that's magical. Magical? Yes, that's tragical. Man, no fit trace with no vaginal. Deal with them tactical, that's practical. Unattractive, hyperactive machine when we use. Make the damage get collateral.